Avoid earthing sheet with grounding cord. Flat sheet earth beds by grounding cotton silver conductive EMF protection. Like all the other earthing sheets on our list, this one claims benefits such as improving sleep, relieving snoring, hormone regulation, better circulation, less stress and anxiety, bioelectrical balance, support, anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, an immune booster, and faster athletic recovery. However, after doing our research, we have found that this product to be the worst earthing sheets on the market. Reviews claim that the cord didn't work, or that the product itself is fraudulent and do not work. It also said that the company does not respond quickly or professionally to inquiries. Although earthing sheets themselves are a wonderful product, this option in particular is not to be trusted. When investing in your health, it is important to buy the correct products that will improve your wellness, rather than wasting your money on something that is not going to work. Don't let the price fool you. There is a far better low-budget option. We know that it can take time and effort to research products thoroughly before purchasing. That is why we did the research for you and made this list. We are here to help you on your wellness journey, and our research shows that these earthing sheets are not on the same mission. There is one pro, low budget option. Here are some more cons. Shorter cord, reports that item does not work, reports a faulty cord, unprofessional lack of correspondence.